Learning happens when you decide to take a risk, do something different. The more you start to trust your own palate. Once you get that, you're cooking for real.
I went to Italy for the summer. I fell in love with Italy then, did a lot of cooking, mostly fell in love with how delicious everything was.
I'm defined by two places, New York and Kentucky. Two worlds of cuisine, like Southern food and sort of the Korean food that I grew up with.
I cooked from the age of 16, I think. I grow my own veggies. This is my heritage, fresh and simple.
Ma quando mi chiedono, tu lavori tutti i giorni? Io gli rispondo, non ho mai lavorato un giorno. Buon appetito a tutti!
It's very simple. I want to make something that's delicious.
This is YesChef.